Which insurance coaching and mentoring program is right for me? This is a question that I get asked daily. Insurance agents are bombarded with emails and social media posts from insurance coaches, gurus, and other insurance agents touting their lead generation services, CRM tools, agency management systems, and other things that will help an agency improve its operation. Those options become even more confusing when an agent attends multiple conferences and workshops, and they're bombarded with all of the tools, services, and programs presented by sponsors and vendors. To make it easier to understand and make a decision concerning insurance coaching and mentoring, and because it's education, I am going to compare choosing the right insurance mentoring program to an average student's education journey. I'll give you the names of some of the coaches and programs that I personally recommend, but you have to find the ones that work best for you. Now, all students have to go through elementary, middle, and high school, or K through 12. And they have to go through these classes to learn the necessary foundations that will be used for college and advanced education degrees and programs. So let's start out with the equivalent of K through 12. How about that? In my opinion, the lessons, processes, and foundations that you learn in K through 12 will have the most lasting impact on your life. They are so crucial that to enroll in some college courses, you had to take specific high school courses, or you have to take a remedial 100 level college class to prepare for that course. Inspire Nation Business Mentoring is the K through 12 of the insurance industry mentoring world. Inspire Nation teaches the 20 core areas of running an insurance agency that is the foundation of building a 10 million revenue insurance agency if you're an independent, or a 10 million premium agency if you're captive. K through 12 teaches everything from vowels and sentence structure to advanced calculus. The Inspire Nation mentoring program teaches every aspect of running a successful insurance agency, including how to interview, hire and pay staff, marketing and lead management, technology use, and core agency processes such as endorsements, claims, rate increases, and retention. Just like a K through 12 program, the Inspire Nation mentoring program has something for all categories of learners and implementers. Some agents require a lot more one-on-one tutoring than others. Some agents will blow off the classes and have to repeat specific topics and lessons, just as some students have to repeat specific classes. Some agents will get through as an average student, and some agents will use the program as a stepping stone to more advanced business operations. Once you get past high school, college opens up an entirely new level of educational and networking opportunities. Insurance mentoring has the same opportunities, just on a professional level. You can get specialized classes, unique learning opportunities, and amazing groups and networks to join. So let's look at some of those. Let's look at the specialty and advanced programs. Some people will take their K through 12 education and go on to become very successful. In contrast, some people feel they need more training or more specialized instructions to reach their full potential. So the insurance industry has programs that cater to every specialty, product, and curriculum imaginable. Want to know how to use LinkedIn to generate business? Check out Walt Goshert. Want to know how to write more commercial insurance? Check out David Carruthers or Mick Hunt. Want training on a specific process such as policy reviews or staff tracking? Check out Kelly Donahue Pero. Need to affiliate with a group of forward thinkers? Check out Jason Cass or Ryan Hanley. Do you need amazing tools and technology to help you grow your agency? Check out some of these vendors. Agency mobile apps? There's the Insurance Agent app. Agency management systems. There's Hawksoft Agency Management Systems. Electronic payment tools. There's ePay Policy. Lead management and CRM. There's Agency Zoom and Insured Mind. Digital form management and commercial insurance renewals. There's Indio Digital Forms. Insurance-specific virtual assistants. There's Agency VA. Insurance-specific phone systems, there's Lightspeed Voice. The categories and lists could go on, but I think you get the point. So what is the point? The point is, whichever mentoring program you choose needs to be right for your agency. So which mentoring program is right for your agency? The one that you need based on where you are in your insurance career journey. Do you need to go back and retake some of the K through 12 classes to move your agency forward? Inspire Nation Business Mentoring is the best place to start. Are you ready for specialized training and mentoring? Look at some of the vendors and some of the coaches that I mentioned earlier. Do you need to join some groups and networks to keep you motivated and exposed to new advances in the insurance industry? Again, look at some of the folks that I named earlier. If you need to assess where you are in running your agency, there are 2 specific assessments that you can take. One is based on our insurance agent marketing plan. Just go to inspirenation.org/marketing-plan-tool. Again, that's inspirenation.org/marketing-plan-tool. Want to know if you're a strong or weak insurance agency leader? Take our test, take our assessment. Go to www.inspirenation.org/agency-leader-quiz. Again, inspirenation.org/agency-leader-quiz. Hopefully, I've given you enough information and options for insurance coaching and mentoring that you can now go out and choose the best program for you and your agency. This is Billy Williams, President of Inspire Nation Business Mentoring and President of the Williams Family Investment Group. Very excited to have you guys read this blog or listen to this podcast. More importantly, go find the right coach for your agency. Have a great day.